What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? Hey, I wanted to take some time out to make this video pretty quick here, but I wanted to share and make this a proof video that the My Income Club system does work. I was actually chilling out with my family here and got another commission that just rolled in, another $250 commission, guys. So, you know, it was an instant commission that came right into my Square account, transferred it into my bank account, got it right away. So if you're interested in making an additional income, then you definitely want to check this system out. It's free for you to set up. As I always mention, America's favorite four-letter word, free. Everyone loves free. How could you turn down a free system? All right. Now that we're going to literally do all the selling and telling for you, we're going to do follow-ups for you. We're going to show you how to do your own follow-ups after a while. We're also going to give you access to 6- and 7-figure earners. You're going to have training. You're going to have a support group as well. So guys, you're not alone, okay? When it comes to this system, when it comes to this program, you're going to make a lot of money. So the thing is now is to just tap in, lock in, grab your spot, get your income streams, and you're good to go, okay? So if you think that, you know, the system doesn't work, then definitely I wanted to shoot this as proof that it does work. So this is a testimonial video pretty much explaining that this system does work, guys. Another $250 commission. So grab yours. All right. This your boy Jay. I'm out. Peace.